This is my setup here. I got one of the suction cup mounts, if you can see it, and I just slide the camera inside, and it's supposed to clamp down, but it's broke, so I haven't been able to get any videos in cab because what'll happen, it'll this back piece will vibrate and makes it sound kind of awful. But you can see it just presses down and sticks to the back glass. It's pretty strong too. But yeah, that's it. Pretty straightforward. I got it from Best Buy, and I want to say it was like 39, maybe 49. I can't remember. It's been a while since I bought it. But this piece didn't come with it. This actually came with my GoPro. If I can get it off here with one hand, which I don't think I can. Yeah, they're pretty cool. Interchangeable parts. You can adjust it here, and it tightens there. Yep. But if you go to Best Buy, in the camera section, there are all kind of accessories for GoPro, except for the magnetic mounts. They don't have those. I actually got to order another one because mine broke. I had it in here somewhere. The magnet came apart from the frame, so got to order another one. But yeah, if you can see, that's pretty much it. That's how I get my end cabs. I just turned it at an angle where it can capture, you know, the controls, joystick, all that good stuff, and get a view out the window.